and tighten it. Okay. I'm going to grab our other fitting. Put some Teflon tape on it. We'll wrap it about twice. Put this back in the block. Go ahead and start screwing it in. There we go, all nice and tight. Our tea is all set up now. Now we can go ahead and go put you can actually throw some Teflon tape on that. Got our 7/16 and our 10 for some reason, because I knew that would work. There we go. There's our boost gauge. Now I just need to take my flathead, tighten all my fittings. I think that's set. because I feel like I should definitely put something there to like cage it. And there's a bolt hole there, so I'll be able to bolt something. Brass. You can't really weld the brass, but where we're at right now is not bad at all. So I'm back from the parts store with the plug, so I can cover up one of these holes and test my actual system, my oil system. So, and I also got a pipe sealant that's good for brass, metal, and plastic. So, like a thread sealant. So we'll see how this goes. Got it though. Fucking got it. Oh god. Yeah, flip through the gauge cluster. Head up! Hey. And all the best of it, I don't know what the idea for. They use like wireless. Well, that's clearly already just like, the same brand all I use and everything. So anyway, I got an angle, like, screw Joe. That's what I did. Alright, that's what I did. Or pressure. Yeah, or pressure. And I'll do, pressure, okay. That's 80s, that's right. So we have our gauges hooked up. Sweet. We just hit our wiring. I don't know. Let's go ahead and go back to the drawing board. Figure out where we're at. I think that might really just be it for a bit. So I can go inside, get some sleep. But yeah, this guy kind of needs a bracket, something to hold him down. I mean, he's not bad right there, to be honest, and it's not like I can really bolt anything to it, just over it as like a strap. See what happens. It's also got a hard line in it, so I don't really think it's gonna move. Oh, if I could build some clamps, some built-in clamps that are like bolts. Oh, that would be sweet. I might try to figure out to do something like that. Wiring over here is pretty much done. You can already see, like, I already have this all cleaned up. I already showed you guys that earlier. I put some putty on this, but it hasn't really been doing too well, I don't think. Keep it over there by the heat. But so I think honestly we're pretty much there. Uh-oh, guys. Uh-oh. I think I figured out that I gotta take a little bit more off my fog light covers to fit them, because the piping. Yeah, it really wasn't that bad. I've been able to get it done, so no problems there.